going to take my old workout and I'm going to fix this up, and I could just break my wood apart. Age. That's what happens when you let things go. Age. Now, I don't want to... Just got to clean up. Oh yeah. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. A valve needs to be replaced. This is a tile. It's a little thicker. This is a standard Black & Decker inexpensive drill. You can see right here, there's a drip. Can't see that one. How's that for style? We're going to fix that. So what I need to do now is get everything all prepared. Take this off, take this off, take that off, and take that off. Old houses, where we were just at, underneath. You ain't gonna see with the camera. That's where the pipe comes down. That's where the pipe comes across and into this big one. Which way? No more water. All shut off. Oh. Water's gonna spurt out anyway. Might as well take this off. Close this up. Oh man. Gotta let the water come out. Now I'm going to work with that. That's going to constantly drizzle out. These are plumber wrenches. Oh, I felt that in the back. This comes off. I'm going to save it. I want to replace it anyway because it's an old one, that's 5+ years. I don't need such a big wrench right now. And what I'm looking for is I can't find it. I'll find it in a few seconds. This is Teflon tape. I wrap it around the best I can. I need to take it off. This is the hose. This is the on. No more drips. This is the on. There you go. I am not 100% complete, so I don't need to continue to show you anymore. But everything's all taken care of, all tiled. Just need to make a couple tiles here, figure out what I'm going to do on top. Don't think I'm going to do anything to that side, but maybe fix it up some. I hope this video was to your liking.